Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Welcome to my office. Ngigama lami ngiJosie abangangazi. I'm a storyteller ngikhuluma iy'tori ezenzeka life. If unestori sohlukumezile ungakhona ukusikutshela the next person ungangi-inboxa ku-TikTok then mina ngisendele inamba la wena ungasendela isitori sakho khona mina ngize nendlebe wena uze nendaba. Sisiyangibhalela nina. Sisiyangibhalela ashuthi mina ngikhulele emakhaya and ngikhulele kule culture ukuthi we believe in ukuhlola ukuthi ukuhlola kuyenza kwenza ukuthi usave for umshado. So umama beka part of the process yamantombazana ahlolayo. So nami nosisi wami bese kule process ukuthi siyahlolwa. So ashuthi uhlolo kanjalo mina like ngimentombazana ukuthi vele I don't date because of ngisaba ukuthi batontsela lihlolaka ilihlolwa bazolithatha yabona ukuhlola. So umama kumamfila kahle umama like beka umuntu ukuthi beka proud ngathi ukuthi siyahlola usisi wami uhlole waze wathi matric wahamba university since ahlola waze wasebenza since ahlola washadwa ke ayintombi into. So now I had to ukuthi ngihambe kuphi kuma footsteps ka sisi wami uthi awushuzi hayi siyahlolwa vele siyahlolwa kanjalo kwenze ukuthi nami singafika phela ku matric ngicela matric hayi ngiphase kahle ngize ngithole vele ispace ngasekoli yabona ko Tropong Grace Base ko Tropong University bese ngiacceptiwa umama mvele angihlalise phansi anyale mntwana wami ngoba soyahamba kule ndawo le it doesn't mean fanele ukuthi ufike lena uzinikele bafanini angifuni ukuthi ube la ne-certificate samehlo angifuni ukuthi ubuyela uthi uyohlolwa bathiwa ilihlo alisekho yabona kube umama vele ongikhutshayo umfangi the rules and regulations the terms and conditions everything angibeke phansi ke umama angivume awushuthi uthi phela kuhle ukuthi uvuma ngosesela awukwazi into yakuyo phambili yabona uthi ngivume athi yabona usisi wakho bekanjani mawunezinkinga ufonele usisi wakho ile esikolweni wahlola waze wasebenza solahlolwa azange kube nokuthi lihlo lihambile waze washadwa. So nami ngiyacela mntwana uziphathe kahle ungakhohlwa la ubuya khona yabona uthi hayi awushuthi ngivume vele ngivume nami ngisimisele ke phela ukuthi hey kufana nosisi wami ngiyothola umshado ngizesenelihlo. Uthi hayi ngifike ke e-university awushuthi ngifike first 6 months ke ngwana mo right ake batle mathatha ke nna libuka every day uthi every time angicabanga ukuthi abagirls athi asiphumenseni kakukup ngicabanga amagama angifuni certificate esinamehlo angifuni ukuthi bakuthathele ihlo lakho uthi bekugijima amagama layo like engqondweni nami ngithi mina girls count me out mali hamba kuya kaka lesikantseni because angifuni ukuthi stop disappoint umzali wami. Okay kube kanjalo i-roommate yami intombazana ebuya but akabuyi from deep rural areas njengathi ubuye emakhaya lawa aright yena unomntwana but wajola like unale experience amjola and everything. So hlala ngitshela athi you know what yabona mina if benginethuba lakho lelo nalo manje ukuthi uyintombi into wasangulale nendoda bengingahlala kanjalo because awumnati ukuthi ube intombazana ube nomntwana and baba umntwana abaleke uthi bokumuntu bahlala ngikhutsha ukuthi unga engage yourself kuma sexual activities ungazi engage please uthi bekuyintombazana ukuthi akanamona ke ngoyana ngo-right and she was 2 years older than me. So each and every day bekumuntu ukuthi naye encourage vele kube ngathi umama momncane wasegoli. Uthi hayi awushuthi kube kanjalo ke uthi hayi yazi ukulingeka uzothi usathana uthi hayi kube na this young guy ekemoratang ko university yabona like very connect nje uvele wangikhulumisa the other day saxoxa kanjalo wathi ngikhala ngibona ngihamba nge-1 ngihlala ngithulile what's wrong uthi hayi sikhulume vele sikhulume uGuy naye uGuy ubuya emakhaya yabona uthi awushuthi hayi ngimchazele mina ngibani ngenjani I don't date because of 1 2 3 4 5 yabona hayi sube ukuthi ke sithi okay let's be friends ngiba friend nalo ndoda le nomfana uthi hayi siyahamba sifunda sonke senza zonke izinto together ukulobona kube ukuthi vele ngiba umngani naye uthi roommate yami athi you know what Thandiso sothi girl Thandiso mina ngakupha one advice abafana baserese they are only after one thing and uzothola update na someone ukuthi lo ungalala naye. So please cut the relationship if ever ufuna ukuthi ube safe ibani umngani nabantu bazana phume bafaneni because these guys labafana basile one day uzokuthika ukuthi uzolala naye and ngizobona solele naye yabona uthi awushozi makakhuluma lezi zinto esikhuluma ngifile ngathi le ntombazana le ngathi usungena kakhulu esikhwameni ngathi uzenza umama serious yabona uthi ngingamphenduli like ngingcondwe nami ngisina ngisho kanjalo ukuthi lozo nje ukuthi ngenzeni ngempilo yami this person emngani wami yabona uthi I no problem awushozi kube ukuthi vele ugele angibona vele solo ngicontinue noGayi angibuze thandiswa uzozisola yazi izwa mina ngiyakwazi mina ngigabhadiya la uzozisola yabona uthi vele ngingamthathele ekhanda uthi hayi one time ku roommate la this guy so to Sipho roommate yaSipho uthi hayi asambe nisofuna ngale sonke befuthi sneak in na some alcohol yabona what else was bengase umuntu ophuzayo ukuthi like bengiphuza maybe one glass ngitshontsha yabona izinto ezinjalo bengase umuntu ophuzayo uthi hayi no problem awusoze sihambe vele siye ngale ngamtshela roommate wami vele ngisithulele sire ku room ila rekopana hobe mnati sichile labafana namantombazana uthi sichile vele ukadishiwa phela basinike in alcohol kadishiwa kumnandi sihlele vele uthi yahlala zithi 11 12 or awusoze kusale vele this other girl nami na this other boy no Sipho sisale sibe 4 uthi alcohol plus touch ikulo uthi awusoze mina nalo muntu lo sisagcina sesexhoza azange ngishela ubhuti mina ubhuti he was my friend wasesikolweni besazana kanjalo agcina semina sengicina sengiyangalela wahlala ngakhona because of ayisofunda bangisuka endlini yokuthi wasofunda and mina I didn't tell my room ukuthi ngiyakuphi ngivele ngam-WhatsApp ngathi hayi ngizobuya very late don't wait up but ngicela keep isikhathi sakho eminyaka okay sharp ura awusijozi sahlala kwabe sekaphathwa ke kuyaphathwa like that ura awusijozi kube ukuthi nana uGayi sisacabuzana noGayi ura awusijozi remember azange mina ngibe involved kuzinto eziso i-first time uthi makuyi first time kanjalo uGayi angitwiste ngicina sengiyavuma ke uGayi nologel bahambe sale sithu ekamareni uGayi angitwiste angicela ukuthi ngiyacela ngeke ngikwenze izinto ezinjalo bona kube ukuthi agreement between the two of us ukuthi angeke aze sensitivity sting mara ngizokhuluma ngizothini because asistory sami ningixolele yo ayinaketla ring bathongo mndimu yabona uthi sizwana ukuthi no angeke azayi yabona ayiqomkise ngaphakathi izobe itlo raba muhodini wabona kube agreement yethu urumfana awusijozi umfana ngibreak angithathele kuntombi bami lena lekile kumaroom I don't want to lie the agreement bokuthi angeke izingene ngaphakathi but yagcina ingene ngaphakathi wabe sikuthatha kanjalo kuntombi bami umuntu lona kangishela ngaze ngisithi siyathandana awusijozi or after everything seyenzekile khani kube ngathi but fuka ntombazana uthi khani ngirealize ukuthi ngenzeni or awusijozi like kwaba ukuthi ngiyazisola immediately kwabe ukuthi umama wami ngathi ukhuluma endlebeni kwaba ngathi roommate ami ukhuluma endlebeni but sekwenzekile uthi awuse after maqeda ukwenzeka lento siyenzile uGayi vele agcoke athi roommate amfuna ulala bengikhaphe angikhaphe ngifike endlini uthi awusuze ngifike ngikethape uthi ngifile ngathi ngifuna ukugeza izinto ngizenzile uthi okay I was just like as much as it was wrong but somehow nami I enjoyed myself but it was wrong yabona uthi ngeze ngizisola ngeze awusijozi or kekeneka ngirobale the following morning hayi ngimele ukuthi uGayi uzongWhatsApp angibuza ukuthi how are you ulele kanjani after because it was first time it wasn't like pleasant kulobona hayi uGayi angasho next kube yimi ngimWhatsApp ayo hi how are you uGayi angiblu tick angiphenduli uthi hayi ngithi hayi maybe akangayibonanga kulobona ngizombona kusasa kahle kusasa because it was Sunday hayi awusijozi uGayi makangibona avela ngibulise Hayi uthi masiya eklasini on Monday umuntu avele angibulise adlulekile. Angasho next. Uthi vele ngimele la sanohlangana khona after ama-classes wethu. Abuye vele ngimbulisa unjani. Awathula in yabona. Uguy was like how bekumele ukuthi ngithini. Yabona. Uthi how walala nami wathula. Uguy was like hayi man silele because of bestakiwe and I don't think ukuthi into siyenzile be right. So mina like I apologize. Angeke iphinde isenzeke into esiyenzile. What I was just realizing more ukuthi my roommate into beyikhuluma kuyiqiniso ukuthi this guy uyafuna only one thing and into efuna uyitholile. Uthi awusizo umuntu avela axolise athi yena like ibengangibona as a sister, as a friend, yena wagcina sayenze lezi zinto because of alcohol. So uyaqolisa. Uthi ngibone lapho ukuthi lo muntu lo musakangithanda zangangithanda zangabe naba feelings ukuthi angithanda. Uthi like ngibe heartbroken uthi okay sharp ngihambe ngendlini also skifike ngisigile isikhalo uthi ngikhalele nokuthi I lost something precious kumuntu ongangithandi and kumuntu ongaboni future nami. Or awushoze vele room vele makafika vele ngithola ngilele ngikhala. Angibuza ukuthi what's wrong ngithi ay ngiphethe my period pain like I had to lie because of ngize ngithi kwenzeke imbazo nje ukuthi I told you so. Uthi isikhathi esihambe awushoze vele ngidlule pass through le experience engibenayo ngasakhuluma vele noguy vele kube hi masibonana kuphela. Uthi isikhathi esidlule isikhathi sa uthi remember awushoze angiprevent because azange ngize ngibe engage izinto lezi azange ngiprevent. Uthi nokuthi ngihambe ngiyothenga ama morning after I didn't even know about that because nginoka azangisebenzise iprotection. Or awushoze isikhathi siye phela kumele ukuthi manje solungisele ukuthi siye emakhaya siya kumahayini. Uthi isikhathi sihamba isikhathi masihamba awushoze ukuthi one day Saturday morning lele vele amabele wami like aqwele like ama-nipples wami abuhlungu. Tshela uRoom ngithi hayi man ikhona into ezayo lana ebusuku yaze ngimunya amabele. Uthi uRoom vele bekalele so alebelithi kwa uthi ajike athi uthini athi hayi amabele wami mina abuhlungu yazi ama-nipples wami abuhlungu athi khona into bengimunya. Uthi uRoom angibheke athi hayi wena umithi shem ayikho indaba yakho umithi. Or awusoze ngithu athi ngithi umithi ngiyakutshela samsep sothenga i-pregnancy test. Uthi it was Saturday morning sivuke vele noRoom vele angikhaphe angibuze endleleni athi if umithi ulalele nobayani because azange ngibone une-boyfriend wena angazi une-boyfriend. Or awusoze ngamtsheli vele ngithukiwe phela sengimele ukuthi ngibone ama-results ukuthi athini sihambe sithenga pregnancy test sibuye endlini ngitest. Or awusoze amaline abe-dark oyi-2 pregnant. Awusoze ngikhalele ku-roommate ami ngikhale ngimchazela ukuthi kwenzakalani. U-roommate athi ngakutshelani I know ukuthi abafana baserese banjani ngakutshela ngakukhuza sangifuna ukunginalela bona manje. Ngithi u-roommate athi kimi know what go uyisibhedlele baya offera i-abortion i-free abortion before 12 weeks. So hamba uyocheck if less than 12 weeks bazokwenzela uzoyenza i-free abortion. Or awushoze vele Monday vele ngayisikolweni ngikhanga ngijime ngithi isibhedlele. Mangifika isibhedlele umuntu osafike athi angicheck athi sona ithi 17 weeks but sisithi nasiyenzile. Ngicela hamba uyofuna la kuma-private wala bazokwenza khona above but this one thina siyenzi umntwana sekamkhulu. Or awushoze ngikhalela usister ngithi ngiyakucela sister athi ngithi sisi umntwana mkhulu hamba uyofuna ku-private clinic tshela ubaba umntwana akho kuphi imali. Angisho ngina ngithanda nama-Nigeria uthi vele usisi vela ngigive ngithanda nama-Nigeria manje uzelana uhlangahlangena wazi indaba zakho hamba umntwana esikole hamba uye ku-private tell i-boyfriend akuphikise ku-private clinic bayokwenza thina silana asiyenzi senza up until 13 weeks ifulakhe. Or awushoze vele kube ukuthi I'm crying phela ngiphuma lapha angisanandaba nokuthi waiting area kugcwele abantu. Uthi ngiphuma vele ngiyakhala. Uthi mangikhala this other lady athi kimi nayi bekazokwenza itho ukuthi nayi isusakhe esikhulu angitshela ukuthi nawo bathi isikhulu na ngitshela ukuthi yebo athi you know what asambe sobheka somewhere else la bangasenzela khona because bangidirect ukunye. Masifika lapha yana awushoze bafuna imali mina akina chelete. Ugel naye akanamali. Ugel was like you know what ukhona umunye usisi ongimazi oyenza abo okha abamenza lento le asihambise lapho. Or awushozi riyego arifla go bafuna imali. Mina the only money I had lana kimbe ku-800. So labantu lapho bafuna 1.5 akenayona. Ngibatshela ukuthi mina anginayo ngiphethe 800. Uthi awushozi hayi bayithathe vele 800 rand le. But like bayithathe after isikhathi ukuthi eside sisilunga hamba la anginegotiate ukuthi umntwana esikole akanamali yabo. So ngicela ukuthi ngincede. Or awushozi bayingetshelete uthi vele bangiphe i-container vele clean amaphilisi bathi phuza lamapilisi ngiphuze namanzi bangitshela ukuthi ehlala la. Or awushozi la besikhona khona la khona leti packet etina leti plastic uthi bangitshela ukuthi mawufika awuzwa amapain uhlale la kule packet and then upush. Or awushozi it was first time for every or neke sa tsebe selo bekithoma lo gore ngwana itla o mo pusha jwa neke sa tsebe. Or awushozi amapain afika lo sister lona umunye beka umuntu omnyama lo usebenza lapha kule facility le ama Nigeria back door uthi vele anginikeza ipacket athi usquata lana upush. Or awushozi ngaphusha ingane yami uyangizwa uthi ngaphusha ingane yami ngayiphusha ngifake plastic in. Or awushozi like benginefear yokubheka but like ngimmonike ngwana uthi ngifike ngamposa ngale plastic usister wathatha iplastic leyo. Uthi hayi qedala la vele ngabe sengihamba mangihamba vele ngithola umuntu wami umele angibuzo wami njani vele ngithi ngikhathela just want to sleep. Or awushozi ngafika endlini ngageza ngabe sengiyalala kanjalo. Uthi that was the start of the trauma yami empilweni awushozi. Or now le uthoma wa trauma yakho uthi bengasakhona concentrate benginyanya abafana benginyanya nolomfana lo. Uthi hayi isikhathi sihamba 3 months edlule awushozi ngibe right sengiyaqala vele sengiba right ngibila back to normal. Cabanga phela yami ukuthi ngekhaya isikhathi sokuhlola samantombazana sifikile. Uthi awushozi mina ngisanalihlo sengikhiphe nesiso on top of everything. Akekho umuntu waziyo ngaphandle ko roommate yami. Uthi hayi kube nalamantombazana la akhona vele basemakhaya vele basho ukuthi oh siyahamba in yabona ba encourage this thing ukuthi vele kuyohlolwa. Uthi one of these girls vele angitshele ukuthi wena ngiswile ngathi ba choose ban ukwenze in yabona. Uthi awushozi vele kephere athi usayohlolwa namanje ngitshela ukuthi yangihlola athi if ever ufuna ukuhlolwa ngizwile ukuthi bathi if unganalihlo ungathatha isipini senkukhu chicken liver usahamba usihlohlela ngaphansi uthi bangaboni ukuthi ilihlo lisekho. Or awushozi like besikhuluma nje angicokela ukuthi abakhona abantu abazana bathi bayenza into enjalo in or because of sengicabange uma umvilakazi awushozi uthi ngikwephele ngekhaya uthi mangifika ekhaya kereke vele chicken liver ima container. Or awushozi ngisirinse lesipindi ngisithathe ngisihlohle lapha yana the way lento bazana ikhulume ngakhona. Or awushozi izinto sezenzayo simantombazana singacabanga ukuthi kusasa like dinale ngotla kamera dinani sinemphumelo uthi because of we want to impress abanye abantu ngama health wethu. Awushozi ngisihlohlele sisibindi kuhambe uyohlola ulo mama ngihlolile like asa understand or ngimbona ukuthi unama doubts ngimbona ukuthi something is off but ngisikhiphe serious because I know ukuthi ngenzeni. Uthi ngiphume kanjalo kwathi ngiseseyintombi because of ngihlohlele sasibindi ngaphansi uthi phela ngisihlohlile. Uthi ilanga lidlule awushozi I want to take out this sibindi sithi next mina ngiphume ngifuna ukhipha isibindi sithi day 2 uthi awushozi isibindi sesiyaqala ke manje sengikahamba. Or awushozi they didn't tell me ukuthi ungasifaki too deep and akekho umuntu ongi-instructile ukuthi usikhipha kanjani usenza kanjani mina because of ngizwele story nama ayo. Or awushozi sibethe sisathwa and manje senganuka ngathi athi banozwe like mawungahlala igazi lishiswe ilanga ku contain value ukuthi unwa kanjani athi ngathi igazi libulile uthi ngicela nginuke kanjalo. I had no choice ukuthi ngiye clinic and ngiye clinic kuphi sesemakhaya belo ukuthi ngiye clinic yakuphi yasemakhaya. Or awushozi like begina le trauma I was traumatized. I had to ukuthi ngiye clinic fike eclinic ngivula ifile bangifika ivula ifile bale bayakubuza ukuthi uzoyenzani fanele ukuthi uchaze. Uthi awushozi fanele ngichaze ukuthi ngizoyenzani ngifike vele ngimtshele vele usister phela ke sana choice anginuki kamnandi ngimtshela vele usista ukuthi ngifake isibindi ngaphansi bengiyohlolwa uthi vele ngichaze uthi sister vele amanga wenzeni ngimtshele vele kanjalo uthi usista bizo omunye usister babethu bathi ivula amathanga ntombazana uthi mangivula oh vele bahotse balithu babizana abo sister or ashoze I was so embarrassed babizane bonke uthi vele awusozile nesiyaseba amanesi azokuhleba ukhona la bakhulume ngawo bahambe bangali ubezo bakhuluma ngawo bahleka uthi that was my situation bangicheke vele usister vele omunye athi asimncedeni yabona vele bazama vele to take out vele le piece le yi chicken liver yabona bayikhiphe vele awusjosi bayikinje mo lapha kwalendishi yabo izenke uthi bafake lapho uthi mabafaka vele basho vele uthi lo sister lo munye khona vele umama omdala uthi vele angenelele awusjosi angikoma yasi nezinto zenzani mara la ngaphansi alezinto sizongulisa uthi vele angenelele bangipha ama antibiotic or awusjosi bahlebe ngame clinic uthi indaba yasemakhaya one thing about emakhaya indaba ayilali bahleba kanjalo ema clinic bahleba nasemaphathisini bahleba yonke indawo kwazi yafika ebantwini abangaziyo le ndaba lena agama hamba bayotshela umama ubone ngamapilisi before azoza le ndaba le mangifike endlini nginamapilisi hawo manje yini ngiyagula mama ngisi right because you know ukuthi abomama bayathanda ukusnooper around ngiyagula ngisi right okay no problem mama mangabe nenkinga awushozi the following day mama mazwe indaba ukuthi umntwana wakho bathibeka seclinic le bathi bekafaka isibindi ngaphansi awushozi azange ngithuke umzali kangaka umzali wami wangingenelela wangithuka wathi kuzo zonke izinto ungangihlaza ngazo ngabe wangitshela ukuthi wena musawusana lihlu bengeke uzuyena uya lapho ugijima ufaka ibindi ngaphansi cotha hamba uyokhuluma yonke indaba ukuthi wena abantwana bamafaka ibindi usho ukuthi nosisi wakho bekafaka isibindi izinto basifundisa zona eGoli ukuthi awushoze mama ka Androha mama ka ankenelela ulike wangigive umamane uthi ngisikhala ungasikhala lelo langa uthi ngakhalela nokuthi akazi ukuthi ngibuya nakuphi trauma ngasho umntwana phakathi kweplastic akazi or awushozi kube indaba ke njalo ukuthi ngibela vele university before time because of mama vele beyasela nyenyanga sangifunda sekhaya uthi I went there ngafunda ngabe sengiyaqeda awushozi ngagraduate ngithola umsebenzi oright ngiyasebenza ngizitholela ne-decent partner awushozi uthi sama umntwana akafeli sama umntwana akafeli asihlole le ndaba uthi ngidecide ne-partner ukuthi asihlole le ndaba medically ukuthi what's the problem why ngingabitholi abantwana and stuff like that or awushozi hayi kube ukuthi upartner was like no don't rush these things man sizozenzakalela yabona sizoya but not now ungarush yabona or awushozi mina ngisaid ukuthi you know what ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngayenza ngidala let me go alone and find out what's happening awushozi mangifika bangichecka lapha yana doctor decide ukuthi you know what asiqale ngezinto esimple kuma pap smear waqala ngenza pap smear azangize ngiyenzeke in my life pap smear qala ngepap smear bangicheck awushozi bangicheck doctor was like I don't find anything wrong at the moment but let's wait for our results with pap smear and then we'll take it from there se ahambe vela like dibuwe vele the results za pap smear mazibuya awushozi thola ukuthi bathi nginama abnormal cells bahamba bangicheck futhi barana ama test awushozi then they later find out ukuthi ngine cervical cancer or awushozi kongola story sekiro bethi kompete ngokosibedlele I'm weak I'm not well ngine cancer and ingidlile isibeletho I've tried ukuthi ngiyasikhipha it was already too late spreadile or awushozi ama signs ukuthi there is something off ngambeka khona particular one like those things ukuthi ama cramps in ngasathi serious but I later found out ukuthi kinale cancer and ngiko stage 4 or awushozi I just want to ukutshela ukuthi akube awareness kumantombazana especially abahlolwayo ukuthi izinto sizenzayo sibancane they later on catch up empilweni zethu ama actions wethu catch up nathi so bengicela awushosa ukuthi akube awareness video yakho ozoyenza ukuthi amantombazane they should learn ukuthi imomoza iyeke injalo. Imomoza ayifuni anything, ayifuni ukudla, ayifuni anything, iyeke injalo. I don't know whether ilesibindi esakhosa the cancer or izinto bengazenza mina, I don't know, or bezovela ngiphathe naturally, I don't know. But I think ukuthi into ongayenza yaba nama implications emlomeni wesibeletho sami, because bathola la bacala ukuthola ama-abnormal cells emlomeni wesibeletho, and then it was trying ngami ukuthi no, ne-cervical cancer. Uthi I've tried i-chemo, kunzima awusijosi or ubuyima to ubona impilo yakho uyisebenzele kabuhlungu, uyibone ukuthi this life yamphenyuha kumatsohong because of the bad choices that I've done ngempilo yami. Hayi bandla, yasazi ibuhlungu shame indaba kasisi. Angeke ngithi isibindi or asisibindi nama ngazi, but ibuhlungu for the things that we do impress abanye abantu ngezimpilo zethu. I understand ukuthi ukuhlolwa into like egugu ebantwini abaningi, it's cultural kubantu abaningi, but if ever into ifunayo ukuthi wena ubeke lesa stick esimhlophe izokufaka i-health yakho engozini, rather not go, rather uhlala ungayi. Yo